But the Komodo dragon's true weapon is far more sinister than its jaws. Hidden within its saliva lies a toxic brew of bacteria and venom, a chemical cocktail that turns a single bite into a slow, unstoppable death sentence. A wounded prey may escape the initial strike, but its fate is sealed. Days later, weakened and delirious, the animal collapses only to be devoured by the same dragon that delivered the fatal blow. This is not mere hunting. This is domination, a predator that does not simply kill, but conquers. And yet, behind the raw savagery lies a story far deeper.